Hi, my name is Jordan, and in this video I'll be talking about in-home assessments and over-the-phone assessments, and which one is best for you. The first step in getting a solar system is doing an assessment with your solar installer. Whether it's over the phone or at an in-home assessment, you'll typically be asked a lot of questions about your power bills, how you use power, and other questions about your home and people that live there. A solar assessment is crucial to help determine the best solar system for your home. The information you provide will help your solar installer calculate the number of panels you will need in your system, the size of the inverter, the design of your system, and how it will be installed, and most importantly, the potential savings. A solar assessment usually takes about an hour to complete, and you'll want to have your power bills nearby, as they are essential in being able to calculate your system size and savings. At Install Solar, we always prefer to do an in-home assessment, wherever possible. However, we do understand that sometimes this can be difficult to arrange depending on where you live and other factors like when you are home. Educating our customers about solar and how it works provides our customers with the best experience possible when it comes to buying solar. With an in-home assessment, we are able to meet you face-to-face as well as see your home and property in person. This allows us to gather all the information we need to properly size your system as well as educate you on how you can get the most out of your system. If for whatever reason an in-home assessment isn't possible, we can do an over-the-phone assessment with you. Phone assessments are convenient, and by using a little bit of technology, we can still provide you with plenty of information, as well as gather the details we need to provide you with a system that suits your needs. We'll often utilize video conferencing through Zoom as well as screen sharing. By sharing our screen with you, we can show you how the information from your power bill determines the size of your system using our solar calculator spreadsheets. This process allows us to show you step by step how we size your system based on information that is unique to you. We can then show you how your system will be designed using satellite images of your home, as well as to go through the installation process and timeline. With an over-the-phone assessment, we may ask you to take some photos of your meter box, street access, and a few other things. This will help us with the installation of your system. As I mentioned before, educating our customers about solar ensures that they get the best experience possible. And that is our goal with an in-home or over-the-phone assessment. To start your solar journey and to book an assessment, give us a call today.